Hi all, welcome back to a video tutorial on how to make a beaded stretch bracelet. In today's video, you will need a pair of scissors, some beads of your color choice. I'm using white and pink. And then the stretch cord I'm using is this very strong string that I got on Amazon. And it's very strong. And then you'll need a charm of your choice. I'm just using these crosses. These are olive wood made from Israel's homeland. And as you can see, they have little tiny holes right there. So you'll need a sewing needle doll that is very, very skinny to fit through that hole to make it widen and to fix any gaps and stuff. Anyway, here's today's video. Enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Cut yourself a ruler string cord, and to begin, it'll be about so many feet big. It'll be about a ruler size string, such as you see here. That makes sense. What I mean is, cut yourself a long enough string in order to hold the beads. Then you want to take your cross. You see these little holes right here where I'm pointing to? Take your sewing needle and fix that little hole. Make it a little bigger. And stick it in like there. Goes through the other side. And wiggle it like this to make the hole a little bigger. Don't worry, you won't ruin it or damage it. It's just going to open up the hole a little bit clearer so you can see. Once you get it so you can see it big, then you can say it looks better. And take your string. Here's your string. Put it through that hole. I'm doing this on camera, so it's a little bit more trickier for me to work with. If you can't do it on one side, go to the other side and do it. Just get that string through that hole and then push it through. Keep pushing. See? It's already through, so all you have to do is just keep pushing. Pull the other side, and then go up like so, like here. Go to the middle. You want to go to the middle of your string, like a horseshoe or a U shape backwards. Take your both strings and go upward like this, and push it across all the way in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be enough where the cross will be in this middle. That's your middle. And then line up the two strings like so, and then fix it. This will give you a stretch. See, it's already stretching. And there it is, it's on. Now, in order to make a color change, take your first bead, which is the pink. Now you see these holes right here. All you have to do is take your string, put it in your left hand, and then put it through that opening right here. You want to put this hole through this bead like so, and then pull it all the way down. Then take the other side. To make it match, we're going to take the white bead right here. You see this hole? Take the opposite string and push it through, and then let it fall down. Then alternate the color until you get the length of the size that you want, big or small, and do this until you have 10 of the beads. This is what it looks like so far. You have 4, so total of 2 here and 2 here. They're already alternating, so to get that effective look, we wanted to alternate colors. I'm going to do this off camera and meet you back after we get to the 10th bead on each side. Did you put 10 on each side? Well, let's take a look at mine and see if you guys have it matched. Here's the string. This is one side. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, we did 10. Let's see the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now comes the fun part. When your project is finished, take both of your strings and cross it left to right. And then go under, make a loop, like how you tie in a shoelace, and then pull through. I'll do that one more time. Take this, cross it over like this. I'm sorry, my fingers are kind of big. And then cross it over like this, make an X. Go under, go wrap it around the bead. Don't be afraid to take your time, go very slow. You see that tie? Tie it all the way until it's nice and tight. I do mine 5 times, so we're going to do this 5 times. Here's the second. Pull it tight. This is the third. Pull it tight. This is the fourth. Pull it tight. And the last one, again, to make the last one, again, make an X. Make the X. See the X? And put this string on the opposite side. Go under through the hole and pull it through. And then pull it tight. And there you have it. Your finished bracelet. But it's not yet finished until we cut it off. If you don't know how to hide the knots, I like to take shortcuts. So we're going to cut these 2 ties off. So that's where your scissors come in handy. So get your pair of scissors and cut not too close to the knot. Here's one. If you want to, you can thread this string through the bead and it will hide the knot before cutting it off. And then pull it. You see how? You just go through the bead to hide the knot. Just pull through the bead and pull through, and there it is. It's hidden. And then you're going to take this string and cut it, and then just push it through like this, and it hides it. And there you have it. Your nice, beautiful adult size bracelet with the charm. This charm is big enough for these type of beads, so that's why I like them a lot. If you want to try it on for size to make sure it fits, it goes all the way around. Cross on the bottom, and it hides the knot really nicely. And there you have it. I made 2. This is the finished product. And that's the end of this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe, and stay tuned for other videos. Bye, everybody.